I got this from Target from Grandpa. And I got this from Disneyland. And I got this from Walmart. And got all these things from like Target or something. I don't know why I got this. I like them because I got them from my mom and grandpa and my mama. Because I like them because I like Star Wars. But I wish that I get another Star Wars set or something. Like from Christmas or something. I don't know that. I don't even know that anymore. Whoa. But this doesn't touch or anything because it just falls out easily. It just goes in there. That's easy. Here is all the Power Droids going here. But some don't. Like the boss and stuff. Like the boss ones. R2-D2. And I have to get a 3PO. 3PO! Where are you? 3PO. 1 3PO. 2 3PO. 3 3PO. Time out. 3PO. I'll find you one more time. Oh, you're right here. 3PO. And this is what it looks like. They're friends, but we should do something. If we do this, and then this, they could go, wait! Ow! And they're dead. And then the bad guy shoots him. Ah! His helmet fall off! These guys are dual heads! And then I like really these guys, but that doesn't look cool. These guys are double heads. These guys are the best. I like them. But I just want to call them the best guys ever. That's all the bricks show. That's and there's nothing. Like these London guys are awesome. But they have nothing for Lego guys or anything. But I just like Lego guys and Lego. That's Brick Show!